Hi guys. Today, quite a quiet day today. So basically, we're on to the SPY. You can see the last couple of days, it's kind of the last week. It's pulled back, kind of held this level here, and then if you look in today, it kind of was breaking out of that little range. We look on the hour chart, see it kind of got over all of this junk to the left, had room to the upside back to 393.16. So it had room to move. If we look over the Qs as well, just enlarge that. So the daily. So the Qs were a little bit different. So the Qs had this big bar yesterday, moved about $10. It's quite a big move. So I wasn't expecting a huge amount. You can see here, it's that 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 green bars in a row. So the Qs were quite extended. So I was expecting a move higher, but also I was expecting quite a choppy day today. So if we go over to my list, so this was my long list, it's my short list. As you can see, most of them just choppy. I mean, Walmart was okay today. If we look on the daily down here, you can see it was gapping. See, it was gapping over this pivot to the left. That was nice. Again, the problem is it's the 3 days before in the move yesterday. It's just too much. You know, you can't expect a stock to keep going up non-stop. You know, it's just not how it works. Cisco was called out by Jeff in the chat room. On Live Traders, it's a chat room that I use. So Jeff called out Cisco, you can see down here on the 5 minute, let's maximise that. Had a really nice 5 minute 3-bar play, which is a big green bar followed by a resting bar, and then the third bar over the top of the first bar, and then you set your stop at the low of the second bar and then look for 2 to 1. And as you can see, it had a really nice move up, chopped, dropped, and then it's just grinding up at the moment, but you know, just not seeing the follow through at the moment that we would like. Was watching TTE to the downside today. If we look on the daily, it had a bottoming tail yesterday, so it went down, came back up, ended the day strong, bullish, and then today it's gapping under that bar here, under this pivot here. Really nice. So I was looking to trade this today, and the 15 minute was kind of setting up a 15 minute 3-bar play, where you can see the big red bar here. It's actually an engulfing bar because it had the big green bar followed by the big red bar. Maximize that. And then it just had this little resting bar. Unfortunately, the low here was 48.73. And the resting bar went below at 48.66. So unfortunately, we couldn't take the trade. And other than that, I mean, it was just a slow day today. So not much problems there. Hopefully tomorrow it picks back up. I mean, you can just see here on the 2 minute of the SPY, like a roller coaster, just absolute chop. Qs, not much better, the same chop. You just, you know, you can't really make money in that kind of market environment. It's just, you know, you're going to get chopped out. You're going to get in on a 5 minute 3-bar play. It's going to go up like Cisco. I mean, Cisco was a brilliant trade pattern, but it went up, went to break even at 1R, would have come down and stopped me out at break even at my entry just there. So haven't really missed out much today, and that's about it really. Slow day, so hoping it picks up tomorrow. So yeah. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I do these trade reviews every day. Hopefully they're a little bit more exciting than today. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, and like the video if you liked it, and I'll see you tomorrow.